I just need a minute of your time, 1 minute. Close your eyes, visualize Douglas out here for a full hour yesterday, and it was blazing hot. The sun was out, southern Florida, I was melting, but I put in that full hour for you so that I could actually demonstrate how this impact set works. And of course, I got in last night to edit this video for you. Don't know if I pressed record twice or what I did wrong, but it was not there. So I am not redoing that whole thing. I did use these all yesterday, or at least for an hour yesterday, which is all you really need to do. I actually took this tire off, swapped it with the rear tire, did a little tire rotation just to confirm that they weren't going to break or anything like that. And let me tell you about some of the things that I really like about these. Number one, I really like the flat black finish on these. I think that's super cool, along with the etching of the sizes and of course the VEVOR branding. That's all very cool. The other thing I really like is that it is a complete set with both metric and imperial extensions and reducers, so you could use this on a 3/8, ½ inch, and even 3/4 inch drive. Now, my favorite thing is that this is really a complete set for your normal in your driveway kind of mechanic guy kind of thing, right? It has both imperial and metric, as well as extensions, reducers from 1/2 down into 3/8, as well as this cool like flexible mount, which gives you some cool angles on it. Short of a really giant truck, you have everything you need here to work on any kind of reasonable light duty pickup truck or something like that, or below, all the way down to my old race car, number 13. Anyway, VEVOR has done a fabulous job with this set. This is, if you, especially, even if it's not for you, if you're going to get this as a gift for somebody, let's say it's your boyfriend, husband, somebody, and they just got into mechanics or they wanted new stuff for their impact driver, this would be an absolute no-brainer. What a great start this would be. I really appreciate the time you're taking to watch our video. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and comment below. Let us know what you're working on. I'm kind of curious to see what the people are working on in their driveway. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. I'm going back inside again now. I'll see you next time.